How to stop your phone contacts from finding you on Snapchat. So let's see. First tap on profile icon, then open settings. Here scroll down, you will see contact me, open contact me, select friends. Okay, then go back, scroll up. Here you will see contact synchronizing. Open this, remove synchronized contacts from Snapchats. Continue this. Give permission, tap on permission, select contacts. Just don't allow this. So again don't allow. So in this way we can stop contacts from Snapchats. Thanks for watching.